What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. The pace of smartphone evolution is moving so fast that every new phone surpasses the predecessor in innovative technology and rich features. If we parse through the list of best smartphone companies of 2020, then it's surprising to know that a nascent smartphone brand Tecno is successfully giving a tough competition to the big guns of the industry. Tecno never ceases to amaze its audience with its back-to-back mobile launches, and now the brand is all set to launch another power-packed phone, Spark 6, which is the continuity of the brand's most popular Spark series. With its launch in India, Tecno Spark 6 Air created a stir in the market owing to its world-class specs like 7-inch touchscreen display, massive 6000 mAh battery, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and impeccable 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Tecno Spark 6 Air is powered by quad-core MediaTek Helio A22 processor. After witnessing a huge launch success of Spark 6 Air in India, Tecno is now planning to launch the model with the name Spark 6 in Pakistan. Spark 6 is expected to be equipped with the top of the line features, but the most striking feature which makes Tecno fans drool over the upcoming device is its rumored 6 upgraded specs. Though other features of Spark 6 are not yet revealed, it is believed that this time Tecno is heavily investing in its processor segment and planning to come up with a powerful, predictably G70 advanced processor. With the elevated consumers' expectation bar, it is yet to see how Spark 6 will help Tecno to consolidate its top position in the market. It is expected that this new model will also create buzz and will give a tough time to its rivals. So what do you guys think about this phone? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.